Hi children, today we'll talk about the weather. Lesson topic: events, rain or shine. To start, I offer a few questions. Study the questions carefully and try to give a complete answer. 1. What season is it now? 2. What is the weather like today? 3. Sunny or cloudy? 4. Cold or warm? Okay, look at the pictures. What season is it? Now, let's check. The first picture is summer. The second is winter. The third is spring. And the fourth is autumn. Excellent! You correctly answered what time of year it is. Now, let's look at these pictures. What is the weather like? Listen and repeat. It's sunny. It's windy. It's cloudy. It's cold. It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. Remember, in plus season. For example, the weather is beautiful in spring.
Read. A. Look at the pictures. What do you think happens at this carnival? Listen, read, and check your answers.
Welcome to the Quebec Winter Carnival. Every year, for 17 days in February, Bonhomme, the friendly snowman, welcomes over 1 million people to the party of the year. The Quebec Winter Carnival is a great way to celebrate the magic of winter. Let's see what's happening at the Plains of Abraham. It's cold and windy here, but it isn't snowing. At the moment, some people are having a race in horse-drawn sleighs. Look over there. People are having a snow bath. They aren't wearing winter clothes. They're wearing swimsuits. Bonhomme is also playing in the snow with them. Look at those snow slides. Children are going down the hill very fast. They are screaming and laughing, and they're having a great time.
Read again and complete the sentences. Page 77, exercise 3B. Congratulations, you are lucky. There are answers here. Let's check. Grammar: present progressive, affirmative and negative sentences. We use present progressive for actions that are happening at the moment of speaking. For example, my brother isn't watching TV now. He's talking on the phone. Complete with the present progressive of the verbs in brackets. Page 77, exercise 4. You're in luck again. Check your answer. And the last task of the lesson. Write a few sentences about what the weather is like today and what you're doing now. See an example below. Thank you so much for watching the lesson.